upon a time there was a girl called Ariel. She lived under a sea. Her mothers were waiting. She saw a good creature under the sea, but they went home. Someone opened the door and said, "Hello, my name is Ariel, and I look pretty today. I look so pretty, so can I come in?" And the mother said yes. And then they had some lunch, but Ariel saw a creature again, knocking on the door, saying, "Hello, I want to come in." "Yeah, but I'm a little bit cold." Ariel said, "Okay, then you can come in. If you're cold, we'll put a blanket on you." One day, Ariel went into the sea, diving with her Ariel clothes on, and then she swam in far away land, but her mothers didn't see her. So Ariel could go to a far land to see everyone cheering for her. And that was the story of Ariel by S.A.A. Thanks for watching Time with Yaya.